There's nothing wrong with pivoting. Like, nobody cares if you pivot. What people care about is, are you finding a way to gold? If you go the wrong way and then you change course and you find something, then tell that story, because it means, okay, now they have experience, they have learned something. In the beginning, we built the wrong thing. We didn't know it was wrong. We just built the wrong thing because we thought that's right. But then later on, we figured out that actually we always built the right thing, but at the wrong time. This is something like one of my friends keeps telling me, hey, Jens, you need to be careful with the products you're building. You're always like 5 years ahead. It's such a difficult thing if you think you understand the market, and then I cannot sit still. I always want to make something better. You know, I talk to customers and I'm like, okay, this workflow should be better. It should be different. But if you do it for a while, you kind of accept that you have like a long-term roadmap, you have a short-term roadmap. You somehow need to synchronize with the vibe of the market. Sometimes you need to wait for the market to make the right move.